How to unmute someone on Instagram. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unmute people in the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. So there's two ways to unmute people. First, if you know which profile you're trying to unmute, all you need to do is navigate to their Instagram profile, then select following and then mute. From there, you can see which items you have muted, and to unmute them, just toggle those back off. And then when you go back, that person will no longer be muted on Instagram. Now, if you want to see if you've muted anyone and then you want to be able to unmute them, to do that, all we need to do is first select our profile icon in the bottom right of Instagram. Then once we're on our profile, open the menu by selecting the three horizontal lines in the top right, and then go to Settings and Privacy. Once we get in Settings and Privacy, scroll down to What You See, and then select Muted Accounts. Once here, you'll see all the different people you've muted on Instagram. To unmute them, simply select Unmute next to their name. It'll then give you the options of what items you want to unmute. You just turn those off, swipe down, and then that person or account is no longer muted on Instagram. All right, so that's how you unmute people on Instagram. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.